Day 1, how to harness this motivation and start with a bang. We're excited to do this, right? Don't forget that slow and steady wins the race. Even though you're stoked about starting, I want you to promise me that you're just going to chill with all this excitement and not take on too much. Just keep it in your excitement bank. You're gonna have a killer month, and that's gonna happen because this time you're not going to burn out. This roast is so delicious, easy, and inexpensive, you're gonna be shocked that you have never tried a roast with just meat and salt. So to make our roast, we don't preheat the oven yet. We go ahead and take our roast out, leave it in the netting if it has netting. And this is about a 3-pound boneless pork shoulder roast. We're gonna pat it dry so that we can cover it with fat. So go ahead and pat it dry with paper towels. Cover all over with fat. I'm using bacon grease here. You can also use softened butter. And then sprinkle liberally with sea salt. And then we're going to let our roast sit here with the salt on it and the bacon fat and preheat our oven to 425. Allow the pork to sit out while you're preheating the oven. You're gonna bake in a preheated oven at 425 for 15 minutes to brown, and then you're gonna lower the oven temperature, keeping the oven closed to 375 degrees and continue cooking for another 75 minutes. Or about 25 minutes per pound. So this is a 3-pound roast, so we're gonna do about 75 minutes. Remove the pork roast from the oven. You can tent this with foil if you want, or you can just leave it to sit out and allow to rest for 20 minutes before removing the netting and slicing and serving. And then enjoy your delicious just meat and salt carnivore pork roast.